Hey guys, this is Oscar again over at Nikkyocars Japan, and I've got a treat for you today, all of you Honda lovers. This is a 2003 Honda Accord Euro R. It is powered by a 2000cc VTEC engine, 6-speed manual transmission, 2-wheel drive. Really fun car to drive around. Let me show you around. Hope you like it. Okay, so on the sides, first thing I want to point out, you've got aftermarket alloys. These are work 18-inch forged alloy wheels. Really nice set of wheels in this car. Also, you will notice the front calipers are NSX. That is also a very cool feature in this car. So, you know, it's been modified and it's great. Okay, back here, one of the things you'll notice is the little emblem here, it was changed. It's got the Acura emblem back here. Gives it a little bit of a nice look. Also, the exhaust system is aftermarket. The whole system has been changed. So, you know, better performance, a really nice sound, which you will hear a little bit later. But overall, a really nice car. So here, I want you to listen to this sound. So that is the aftermarket exhaust system. So we're inside the car now, guys. So first thing to point out, you will notice that the steering wheel is aftermarket. This is an OND steering wheel. So really nice. Gives you a good grip on it. Also, you've got right there your klaxon, if you will. The mileage on this car, 133,000 kilometers, original kilometers on the clock. So low mileage can. You've got your 6-speed manual transmission right here, as you can see. And you've got your audio and all your stuff back there. Also, one thing to point out, the seats, 2 front seats are Recaro seats. So, you know, the interior is also very clean. You know, it's in very good shape. Nothing is torn, no holes of any kind. So it was very well kept. Somebody really liked this car. So it's in very good shape. Alright guys, well, I hope that you enjoyed looking around this car with me. This car is a 2003, as I mentioned earlier, so it is perfectly legal for Canada right now. So all of you Canadians who like Hondas, we got one right here for you. What we're asking in terms of price is $6,600 up to Canada. So get in touch with us. You will see our phone number in this area, our email address right down here, and in the more info area you will also be able to see a link to our page where you can browse our stock. So we'll be waiting for you. Get in touch with us.